What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake, as you can tell right behind me. I'm going to be doing some topwater fishing. These bass have been pushing up pretty shallow lately, feeding on shad. So I'm going to try out some topwater, try out some frogs. That is the main objective for today, to try and catch a fish on a frog. So hopefully we can do that. Let's get to it. So I've made it to the first spot of the day. I'm going to be starting off right here to the left. It's kind of out of the wind. It's pretty windy that way. I mean, it's windy as it is right now. I really hope it calms down later in the afternoon, so I won't have to struggle with my kayak. But I never start here in this area. I want to be doing that for some reason. It just seems calm. I'll start off right here with the frog. I never catch fish right here specifically, but I'll give it a shot anyway. You never know, there could be that one fish that wants to feed on topwater. That's another thing. I'm not seeing any fish busting. These past few days, I've seen them hammering bait fish, just busting here and there. And then the one day I come out, I haven't even seen one fish bust. They are up shallow, that's for sure. I was there by the dock and I saw two bass up pretty shallow. So that's one thing, they are up pretty shallow, but I haven't seen any bust. All right, I just saw one fish bust. First fish of the day that I see bust. I'm getting to like the spot where I want to throw the frog. That's a good sign. The problem I'm having with this frog is I didn't rig it up right and the hook keeps coming out. So it's all janky right now, but it'll do. It'll catch a fish, I think. But that's a good sign. I already saw one fish bust. Perfect. It's a little windy, but I think they'll be able to see it. Oh, that's a fish. No! On topwater, on the frog. I don't know if I waited too long or what the deal was. I set the hook for sure. Oh man, first fish on topwater. It wasn't too big, but I would take it any day. Fish on a frog is a fish on a frog. I did wait there for a split second. I don't think I waited too long though, so that's the problem. I'm gonna fish this side with the frog, the rest of this side. That sucks. Oh well, just hope we get another bite on topwater. Over here. Terrible cast. Still might take it though. Oh, he has it. No, he missed him. No, he missed it. There's a fish right here feeding on shad, and of course I get a backlash. The most important time I need to make a cast. I hate braid. I hate it. I never use it, only for topwater and like big baits. And that fish is probably gone. I saw a fish busting on some shad. I decided to throw my frog up in there. And he went at it, but he missed it. That's a fish. First fish of the day, everyone. I'll take it. He swam off so freaking fast. Probably a small fish. Come on, buddy. Get in the net. There you go, everyone. Such an aggressive fish. First fish of the day. On the Kraken crawl, not on the frog. I really wish it was on the frog. That would have been epic. I'll take him. Chubby little guy, close to a pound. Not bad. Love that. I'm gonna let this fish go. There he goes, back in the water. I have been grinding for probably about almost approaching 2 hours now. And I was wondering when I was gonna get a bite. I've been fishing mainly with the frog this whole time. That's the reason why I really haven't gotten any bites. I'm really gonna try and catch a fish on a frog. That fish was so aggressive though. It was freaking fun. He just ran off. That was pretty cool. So I keep fishing, fish at the frog here and there. Hopefully we can land another fish, and just hopefully that's not the only fish that we land today. Let's get to it. There we go, everyone. First fish on the frog. Come on. Come on. I didn't even see it. That is a chunk. Heck yeah. Please tell me I'm recording. I am recording. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned how I wanted to catch at least a 2-pounder, and that was probably asking for a lot. But we did it. That is a nice quality fish right there on the frog. Look at that fish. Chunky fish, stocking up for the winter. Not bad. That was insane. I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking the other way for some reason. He annihilated my bait. Not a bad fish. Go ahead and put this fish back in the water. There he goes. Oh my god, that was insane. That was right in front of me too. It's sad that I didn't see it. I was looking the other way. Oh my gosh. It's getting close to about 2 hours that I've been fishing, and that was just insane. Set the hook on it. We landed a fish on a frog. That was the goal for today. Accomplished it. Not bad. Keep fishing. It's a little windy, but maybe we can land one more. Still have a lot to fish, but that was insane. That was pretty cool. Not bad. So when I came to this spot right here specifically, I was gonna throw a Kraken craw originally. I saw the structure, big drop-offs, big rocks, and I was thinking to myself, if I was a fish, what would I want to eat here? Like, what would I be looking for? And I thought a craw wouldn't fall out of the sky. It wouldn't come out of rocks. A frog would jump from a cliff or like from something like this onto water. And that's what you have to think about sometimes. These fish hang around areas like docks. Things might fall from docks, crickets, frogs, and just things along those lines. So this area, it's big drop off, big rocks, and I thought, see, like right there, third fish of the day. That was insane. Oh my god, I'm salty that I lost that one. That was a pretty good sized fish. But I was just saying how these fish hang around these areas because they expect a certain type of bait to come by, like a frog, cricket, to fall from a rock or to jump from a rock, and they annihilate your bait whenever you use the right type of bait, just like that. Oh my gosh, I'm a little salty about that one. I don't know if that was a 2-pounder or how big that was, but it was a pretty decent size. I did wait for a bit to set the hook, but I couldn't capitalize on it. That was insane though. He jumped out of the water right here. But like I'm saying, when you look at structure just like this, think about what fish are going to eat around that structure, what they're looking for, why they're there, and tie on a bait according to the structure. That's always my type of thinking. That's why I decided to throw a frog instead of a Kraken craw, because I thought that fish would look for a frog rather than a Kraken craw in this area. And apparently it worked because I got 2 bites just right here in this little area. Alright everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day. I caught 2 fish in total. I missed a ton of fish today. I managed to make it happen either way. These are the 2 baits that I used today. I used the ribbit. It was on clearance last time. Pretty good. Basically a plastic frog. I used it with a 4/0 hook, weightless. It did pretty good. Not bad. I also used a Guggen Baits Kraken craw, as you can tell there. Watermelon red, worked pretty good. I got a ton of bites on this Kraken craw, not bad. I couldn't really capitalize on them though, but they seem to really like this Kraken craw. Not a bad day. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like on this video everybody. Comment and subscribe for future content just like this. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.